For 6 years in a row, BC has set a new record for the number of overdose deaths in a single year. Sadly, the number is expected to continue to climb as the ongoing opioid crisis continues.
The overdose crisis has created a situation that impacts public health, it impacts social service agencies, it impacts emergency services, and it's a challenge that no one entity is going to be able to address on its own, and it's something that is going to take a long time for us to just even start to make a dent in.
Sometimes, the only way to tackle what could be an overwhelming challenge is to put jurisdictional issues and other barriers to working together aside and forge unique partnerships. Embracing this spirit of innovation and collaboration, BC Emergency Health Services and Island Health joined forces to develop an innovative model for a safe consumption site for the Greater Victoria area that integrates primary care, including wound care and testing and treatment for bloodborne infections, mental health substance use services, including addiction counseling, and supervised injection services, all under one roof.
I think what's most significant about this partnership for the Harbour here in Victoria is really truly the contribution that all of the partners that are involved in this service bring to the table. So we have Island Health mental health and substance use supports, we have public health, street nurses, we have BCE Emergency Health Services, we have peers from Solid Outreach, and we have harm reduction workers from the Lookout Housing and Health Society, and we really couldn't have pulled off almost our first year of this service without having all of the expertise at the table and delivering the service.
Since we went in there in June of 2018, over 55,000 visitors have come through there. And of that, we've had over 200 overdoses that paramedics have made a difference in, and the health staff there. Of the 200, 177 calls were avoided by ambulances not having to go to the site because of the fact that we had paramedics on site already.
Not a single death has taken place at the site. Having first responders as partners in the care team has resulted in many positive effects, including an observable shift in culture among paramedics to recognize and treat patients with substance use issues as people struggling with a disease, resulting in a more compassionate engagement with clients and a reduced stigma for patients and clients needing support.
It's working because we have more players involved that have different perspectives. And when we bring all of those perspectives together, there's a synergy. All of the different team members bring their expertise so that now the person who's coming to see us has more options.
For working together to eliminate obstacles to accessing life-saving supports and services in response to BC's ongoing overdose epidemic, the Gold Apple Award for Collaborative Solutions has been awarded to the Harbour Supervised Consumption Service. Generously sponsored by the BC Patient Safety and Quality Council.